Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Healing Neutrophil. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So I am here with another video where I'll be discussing two different aspects, that is government medical college and private medical college. Since so many of you people were requesting me to make a video on this and they were so confused regarding this, since NEET UG results are also out और PG का result तो पहले ही declare हो गया था. So I thought I'll quickly burst this confusion and let's quickly head into the video. So first of all, I will talk about the academics. So academic wise, it totally depends on which college you are choosing. So if you are someone who is stuck between some random peripheral government medical colleges and they have a choice in some reputed private medical colleges like Manipal, JSS and Hamdard in Delhi. So I would say if you can afford these private medical colleges and you have a choice with some peripheral random government medical colleges, always go for these reputed private medical colleges, since you will learn a lot in these colleges and infrastructure wise also these colleges are good, so that will make a better choice. Also talking about the faculties in private medical colleges are far better than government medical colleges, since in private medical colleges they are paid more and that's why they are always available for you and you can ask your doubts as many times as you want, and you know they are very punctual in their classes, they will come regularly, and you know the facilities also would be great in private medical colleges. But if you compare it to the government medical colleges, obviously the professors are not, you know, very punctual. No, I'm not talking about all the government medical colleges, but you know in general, obviously some of the very reputed government medical colleges are really nice, but you know if you talk about the majority of government medical colleges, so there the faculties are not that par and you know they won't be that punctual, the facilities won't be that great, kabhi classes आएंगे professors कभी नहीं आएंगे, most of the time the students are sitting ideal and you know the classes हो ही नहीं रही हैं. So that is the case of government medical colleges, majority of government medical colleges. But in private medical colleges, since you are paying more there, so they will provide you with all the facilities. So talking about the infrastructure, obviously infrastructure wise भी private medical colleges better होगा. Why? Because you are paying more to them, so they'll provide you with everything like playgrounds, the hostel rooms would be great, the mess, the area where you will eat would be great, you know, toilets would be great, the washrooms would be great. So that's why private medical college wins there. But when you compare it to the government medical colleges, the majority of government medical colleges, you know, filthy washrooms, you won't have any area to sit, the libraries won't be that great, hostel rooms would be, no, ceilings would be very badly, you know. The Mysore Medical College recently an article was published where the ceilings were, you know, cracking, in KGMC also. So that is the case of government medical colleges in India. So if you compare infrastructure wise, obviously the private medical colleges provide you with great infrastructure. So yeah, that is all about the infrastructure. Now if we talk about the patient load, obviously the patient load will be great in government medical colleges because you know the patients they are charging less to the patients, so obviously the patients there will be inflow of the patients and you will see all type of cases there, you know, whatever you will, you know, read in your textbooks, you will be able to see the cases. But in private medical college that's not the case because they're charging more, so patient less, the patient output will be really less. So yeah, that is the case. But if you compare it to some of the very prestigious private medical colleges like Manipal, JSS, there also you will find a good amount of patient load and you will be able to, you know, learn enough. So yeah, it also varies from colleges to colleges. That's why if you are someone who is stuck between कौन सा private colleges choose करना है, so choose it wisely because not all private colleges are great. You know, if you have got a good rank, then you know go for these Manipal, JSS, Hamdard. And if you have got a less rank and you are choosing some private medical colleges, you know, do research wisely and you know see कैसा patient load है वहाँ पे, कैसा infrastructure है, you know, how is the faculty there. So then only you choose a college. Yeah, so now talking about the chances of cracking any entrance. So chances of cracking any type of entrance increases for the government medical colleges students. Why? Because obviously they have secured a really great rank in their UG days and now they are very, you know, focused on their goals. You know, they have got a really nice environment, their friends would be great, उनका भी बहुत अच्छा rank आया होता है, that's why they landed up there. And you know they study really nice, they study from day one their standard textbooks, and that's why हम सुनते भी ज़्यादा एंट्रेंस क्रैक गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज वालों का है. सो दैट्स वाई. बट doesn't mean कि private medical colleges people can't crack any entrance. Obviously it depends on your mindset, but in private medical colleges there would be more distractions, you know, there would be all kind of people, you know, good people also, and you know, there will be just people who just don't want to study, they have just come for the sake of taking a degree. So you will find all type of people. It's just that you have to be focused. You can crack any entrance exam. You know, I have seen so many people who have, you know, graduated from really nice government medical colleges, still they won't be able to crack their PG and they are struggling. But some of the students are there who have done their UGs in some random private medical college and they are really excellent in their field. So yeah, it depends on your mindset, you know, if you are focused or not. You know, you can crack any entrance examination, because ultimately the college don't matter. At the end of 5 years we all will be at the same point, and we would be writing a PG entrance examination. So at that point of time we all will be equal. So it just depends on your hard work, how hard work you have done, how much hard work you have put on there. So yeah, so all type of colleges, you know, are good if you are good enough. So you know, we are in a medical field where we'll get so many chances to prove ourselves. So if you are someone who couldn't crack this UG entrance exam or PG entrance exam, just don't be disappointed, because in medical field you will get a chance to prove yourself in PG, you will get a chance to prove yourself in super specialization. There's no end to this journey. So yeah, don't be disappointed if you are someone who couldn't crack entrance, who didn't get a good rank. I know they are very disappointed ki they have given, and many people have given their third time, fourth time, still they couldn't crack the entrance. So if you are someone who is getting a private medical college, just take it. And those who couldn't, is not getting anything, just, you know, try and next time, and you know, maybe God has some other plan for you, some great plan for you. So you know, don't be demotivated, and you will get so many chances. So yeah, stay motivated. And also when I talk about the fee structure of government medical college and private, obviously government medical colleges में तो बहुत ही कम fees होती है, so you will be graduated in just few bucks, but the private medical colleges will charge you lakhs of rupees. But if you are someone who can afford, just take it, take some nice research the college, and then only take the private medical colleges. So yeah, you know, at the end of the day, you know, what matters is your hard work, and you know, you can, you know, rise up from any level. कहीं से भी तुम उठ सकते हो, and you know, you can show yourself. So don't get demotivated, keep working hard. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. I will see you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye.